All right, there are two words, and I think these might be new, and they're often confused. So I will have a trick at the end to help you remember which one is which. So the first word is complementary. So two angles, if they add up to 90 degrees together, we call them complementary. So here's three examples. So we've got 60 plus 30, and they're right by each other. So these would be adjacent, and they're also complementary. So those are adjacent and complementary. The second example, these two angles are not right by each other, but because 45 plus 45 adds up to 90, they're still complementary. And on the third example, we have a triangle. So if I look at these two angles, I've got 52 plus 38. If I add those together, we get 90 degrees. Now, one angle by itself is not complementary. It's still a right angle, but complementary, you need two angles that add up to 90 degrees. The other word is supplementary. So, supplementary means two angles that add up to 180. So, on my first example, we've got adjacent angles 125 and 55. So, if I add those together, I would get 180 degrees. So those are adjacent and they're supplementary. My second example, there's no numbers, but remember that box means 90 and this box means 90. So 90 plus 90 is also 180. And on my third example, these angles aren't even touching, but that's okay. I've got 152 degrees plus 28 degrees is equal to 180. So that would be supplementary. Now, it's really easy to get these two confused. So my trick is remember, C comes before S and 90 comes before 180. And I've used this for years, and it's really the only thing that helps me remember which one is which. So complementary is 90, and that they both come before supplementary, which adds up to 180.